Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to save an email in Gmail as a PDF file. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for example, I want to click on this and then save this conversation as a PDF file for me to show it to an individual or the team. So what I'll have to do is click on this printer icon, or I can also use the control P on my keyboard. But if you want to use your mouse, just click on this, and then as you can see, it will direct you to this page where you can print your email. So you can choose to select a layout. For example, I wanted portrait. So all I need to do is click this destination and then click save as PDF. You can also click Microsoft Print to PDF, but it is much better to save it as PDF. So click save and then add your title and then click save. So let's see if it is already saved. Okay, so it is already on my folder, and as you can see, the email is already saved as a PDF file. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!